What up, ladies and gentlemen? Tyler here from TarverAcademy.com, and I've got your problem of the day. Let's learn some math, shall we? Okay, it says the equation of absolute value 3x plus 1 equals k has no solutions if k equals what? All right, so pause it, and then we'll work it together and see if you got the right answer. And unpause. Okay, so on this equation, I feel like it is best to go ahead and just plug these things in and see what you get, okay? Well, actually, you don't have to plug it in. You could just look at your stuff. Wow, see that? Thought process changing. Okay, so we've got our equation. It's 3x plus 1 in absolute values. Now, the kicker here is the absolute values. If you know anything about absolute values, you know that absolute values can kill some negatives. So what an absolute value is, if it's something in the absolute values, it does nothing to a positive. It just becomes just like a regular 3. Now, whenever you have a negative inside there, that's whenever absolute values have a superpower, because what absolute values do is they kill that negative. And so that's gone, bye, and it just becomes a 3. It becomes a positive 3. So absolute values kill negatives. So we obviously notice that that's going to play a part in this. Now, for instance, like say we have, let's try with A. So can k equal 0? Well, I don't know. Let's find out. Can you make this with absolute values affect a 0 at all? No, because a 0 is not a negative. So it doesn't affect it, doesn't kill it, doesn't do anything different with it. So you could do like negative 4 right here. Or no, sorry, no, you wouldn't need negative 4. But you could do like a negative, I don't know, 2 over 3 or whatever it is. I'm not fraction. I should have worked that before. But you can make it to where this equaled 0 inside that, which would be what k is. And it could equal 0. There's a number you could put in to make that equal 0. Same thing with 3. You could put a 3 in there. You can have an answer equals 3 and 1. But here's where we have the situation, because we're assuming that whatever comes out of this is going to be a positive because it has absolute values. And these absolute values mean that it cannot be a negative. It's the only thing we know about this problem is that it cannot be a negative when we're done. No matter what you put in for x, whether that's a negative a million, it's going to kill the negative at the end. If it's a positive, it's not going to flip it. It's just going to keep it a positive. And so therefore, the only thing we know k cannot be is your negative 1. So if you got that problem right and paused it and got that worked out, give yourself 10 points for today, and I hope you have a great one. Don't forget to get your learn on, and if you could, please check me out on social media at Tyler Tarver, and then TarverAcademy.com for all your math needs. Peace.